So I'm going to be canning these pears. So I went to my local Lidl and bought a heap of pears, and now I'm going to peel them and chop them up. So I've peeled and cored the pears. There's my peeling tool. I'm now going to put them in jars and add some syrup before I move on to the next step. So I'm making a light syrup. So I've taken 2 pints of water. I'm adding a cup of sugar, and I'm going to just let that boil. I've just used golden caster sugar because that's what I have. And so I'm going to let this dissolve. I have to stir it, and this I will pour on the pear that I'm putting in chunks into jars. So I'm water bathing them. I'm getting my saucepan ready. I don't know, about 5 pints of water in here, and I'm just getting that ready whilst my jars are filling up. And this, I will put a towel in the bottom so that the jars are protected. The jars can't go on the metal in the saucepan. They will split. So a towel will go down, and I'll put them in there in a minute. So here's my jars. Here's my liquid light syrup, and then I pour it on. I've got to ensure with a spoon or something to make sure all the bubbles are gone. One moment. So I use this gadget. It's a little one you can buy on Amazon, but you just got to ensure that there's no bubbles left in the pot. I think it will go pop otherwise. And so that's all okay. I'm going to do that the same to all the jars, and then we'll go to the next step. So the jars are now in my big saucepan, and you can see that they're just starting to boil. And at this boiling point, I will keep them boiling for about half an hour, and then I'll take them out. That's 7 jars. And I don't really know, it was a lot of pears, but they're delicious for breakfast. We eat them, and we all find it well worth having. So that's why I end up having to do all the work for it. Haha.